So we are in Colombo, and I found some babblers. It's a bird. See what? There's a lot. 1, 2. Where's the third? Oh, third one is right there. Oh, my leg is so itchy. Wait, I'll unzoom it. Look, there. Yeah. See, there's the first one. Second one, they jump so fun. And the third one just went. Look, they're going up. Oh no! Look, it's up there. Why does all one go up when I'm trying to make a video? Oh yeah, because I'm getting close, but I'm not even that close. It's like few. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh yeah, that's just a fly. What's that sound I keep hearing? Don't you hear it? Look, I saw the branch shake. No, not a branch, I mean the leaves. So is there something that way? Let me check. I'm not showing you because I need to stretch my leg. Oh, let me see this. Is there anything? There is nothing. By the way, look, there's something in Minecraft. By the way, this is sad news, but I quit Minecraft. Actually did. Really sad, right? I used to be good at Minecraft, but now I retired. But look, here's a pear tree. I just killed an ant. No, that's not an ant. It's a mosquito. That's something like that. It's like a pale tree in Minecraft, but see, I'm not doing even any filter. It's just pale. Look, see, one of them is pale, other one is not pale. Right? So bye guys, and sorry I retired. I just did. Now I'm into grow a garden. I might not retire. Maybe maybe. But for now, I retired. So, bye guys. See you next time.